walking around the conference just to pick up some B-roll. Got the studio popping.
Now imagine taking an entire production truck or news van and condensing it into a backpack and making that work.
So amazing.
I set up the Sling Studio backpack so that Dan and I can set up multi-camera shoots and edit, all while walking around events. Check this out. I am setting up my Sling Studio package in a portable mode. As you can see, I've just kind of taken the backpack apart and moved a few things around. We have our Sling Studio here, battery powered. We have 2 receivers for wireless microphones, and we have our H6 recorder as well. And we've got 128 gigabytes internal storage all ready to go, and we'll just plug that into our laptop when we get done with the day and be ready to edit.
We're just really enjoying the benefit of having a mobile production studio on our backs. So, dude, I mean, Worldwide Rev, Los Figures behind the camera. Keep following us. We're gonna keep doing some good work.
Let's wrap this one up today, Justin. I really appreciate it, man. I did learn some new things, and I hope some of our audience out there can kind of take some of the tips that you gave. I'm gonna get this one uploaded to YouTube, and we're out.
We're out.